Hi everyone, Vince here. Today I'll show you 6 money-making applications that will pay you for playing games. I hope you enjoy. Let's kick this off. Now, as always, going into these type of videos, please remember that these applications change depending on your age, country, and even gender. I just want to make sure you all know that. And by the way, if you want to try any of these apps out, you're more than welcome to. Links will be in the description below, as well as my referral code if needed. The first application that will pay you to play games is called Gamey. Gamey is one of these money-making applications that will actually pay you real-life cash for competing against other players around the world. The type of games that you get to play against other players are super easy to understand. So pretty much anyone can jump into Gamey and start earning straight away. Now, the currency system of Gamey are tickets. You earn tickets throughout your experience in versing other players on the Gamey application. Gamey also has an offer wall system where you can earn a huge amount of tickets, depending on what offers are available in your country at the time. The way that Gamey distributes its money to its players is on a daily basis. Think of it as a huge prize pool where every day 50 of the top earning players that generated the most tickets for that day earn real life cash rewards in the form of PayPal currency. Pretty much whoever has the most tickets wins the most amount of cash. It's as straightforward as that. On top of that, Gamey actually features daily giveaways as well as weekly and monthly giveaways of cash rewards ranging from $10 all the way up to $10,000, guys. And in between you have other giveaways as well. I'm unsure if anyone's ever won the $10,000 giveaway, but apparently many people have won the smaller giveaways, as you can see on the Gamey leaderboard. I have personally been paid out $10 using the Gamey application, and at the time of the recording at the moment, I can confirm it is a legitimate way to earn money playing games. Gamey paid me that $10 within 1 week of requesting the payout. Now, next up is Missed Play. Missed Play to me is one of these money-making applications that could completely dominate the market. There are a few things though holding it back in my opinion, and I will talk about the main one on this video. But jumping back to the positives of Missed Play, it probably has some of the most extensive ways to earn real-life money by playing games I've seen on a money-making application so far. It has various different cash-out methods. The only thing it's missing at the moment of this recording is PayPal currency, but it does have Amazon, Virtual MasterCard, and gift cards for the local shops around your area. I'm absolutely blown away at how many different games you can actually choose from on Missed Play to earn real life money. Like, I'm talking, guys, there's probably 50 to 100 different games that are available on Missed Play for you guys to play and earn with. Missed Play runs on a rewarded time system where the more you play a game, the more currency that you can generate. But it does get more difficult as time goes on, which is normal on these type of money-making applications. Now, to talk about my negative with Missed Play, the biggest problem I have with it is when you go to cash out your currency on Missed Play, they will more than likely ask you for identification. Now, I'm talking about street address, even photo ID if needed. This is a big problem to me, especially when you're cashing out only between $5 to $10 worth of money playing a game. I seriously believe that Missed Play needs to change their cash out policy, or they're going to constantly be left behind by other better money making apps. But if you don't mind about giving away your identification to cash out on mobile phone apps, then Missed Play is probably one of the top choices out there right now in the market. Missed Play did pay me within 1 week of requesting my cash out, by the way, as well. So that's why it's on today's list. If you guys like what I do here on YouTube, please don't forget to hit like, subscribe, join my free newsletter, share this video to your friends, and of course, drop a comment. Thank you so much. We are on the road to 80,000 subs. Next up is Cash 'Em All. Now, you've probably all heard of Cash 'Em All before, but this is for people that might not understand what it is or don't know if they should use it or not. Cash 'Em All is one of these applications that works in 2 different ways depending on where you live. The first way it works is by paying you per minute every minute you play a game. Now, the second way it works is by completing levels. Sadly, in my country of Australia, I get lobbed in with the pay per level system. The weirdest thing is though, when I first covered Cash 'Em All, the pay per minute system was available for me. So it's almost like they disabled it for my country, funny enough. But either way, Cash 'Em All will reward you with real life money, including both PayPal and iTunes currency for playing games. apps. Cashmore has an extensive list of games that you can play on their application, which is always nice to see. And another big positive about Cashmore is that the games that you play are generally all pretty fun, casual games. So you really can't go wrong with a basic money-making application like this. Also, in my experience, I've been paid out every single time I've tested Cashmore on my channel, and generally they pay within 2 days of requesting that cash out. Next on the list is MoneyTurn. MoneyTurn is a relatively new money-making application I've covered here on the channel. It acts in the same way as Cashmore with the whole get paid per minute system. But the thing about MoneyTurn that I really like the most, and something that I've never really seen before in applications that pay you to play games, is that it has an interest system. That's right guys, there is an actual interest percentage bonus that you can get for playing games on MoneyTurn. So think of it as you play a game and you generate coins, okay? You then have an interest level on these coins, kind of like a savings account that a bank would give you. So let's say 5%. So at the end of the week, MoneyTurn will give you 5% of whatever your balance is, which I find absolutely crazy for a money-making app. But the percentages that MoneyTurn will actually give you can range all the way up to 15 to 25% from what I've personally seen. MoneyTurn is definitely one of these applications you should try out if you haven't done it yet. They pay both in PayPal and iTunes currency, and last time I requested a payout, they paid me within 2 days of doing so. So that's why it's on today's list. Now next on the list we have Arc8. Arc8 is a fantastic money-making application in the form of cryptocurrency. So on Arc8, essentially it's a competitive mini-game type of arcade experience. It's from the developers Gamey, who also of course made the Gamey application that is also on this list. On Arc8, you can generate Gamey tokens, which at the moment have a real life value of about 1 cent. But before this craziness happened around the world, the Gamey token was hovering at about 15 to 30 cents or so, guys. So I do have faith that hopefully it will go further than 1 cent, but in the meantime, I have no problem playing the Arc8 application because it's nice just to keep on generating these Gamey tokens just to have in your wallet in case the Gamey token takes off again. Arc8 also has its own NFT line, as well as an NFT game on their application. The one thing I love the most about Arc8 is that you can actually wager your Gamey tokens against other players in a 1v1 competitive mode. But if you don't want to do that, that's fine, as you get free tokens on Arc8 as well that you can play around with to earn real life money with. So you technically never have to actually put any money into Arc8, which is great. Now last on the list is Just Play. Just Play to me is one of these apps that I really want to back, okay? The only problem is, Just Play has a currency system which I just don't understand. In my country of Australia, Just Play will pay you every single 3 hours in various forms of currency, including PayPal money. It runs on a level-based system from what I can see, so each level that you complete, you earn a certain amount of coins on various games. Now, at the end of every single 3 hours throughout your day, Just Play will supposedly pay you a certain amount of money per coins that you have. I couldn't find any conversion table, so I never knew how many coins were going to pay me a certain amount of PayPal money. And the craziest thing is, at the end of the 3 hours, I was rewarded very different amounts of PayPal currency for the same amount of coins, or even more coins. So to put it into perspective here, I would generate, let's say, 80,000 coins on Just Play and be rewarded about 50 to 80 cents. I would then generate 400,000 coins, and the logical thing here would be that you get way more PayPal money. But no, I was rewarded even less, at around 15 to 25 PayPal currency, which just doesn't make sense. But Just Play does pay instantly. So if this application works well in your country, you will absolutely love it. But if you're like me, where the currency system's kind of broken, you might want to skip out on Just Play because it might not be worth your time right now. But the whole idea of getting paid every 3 hours is absolutely amazing. So that's why it's on this list. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Be sure to check out my channel for other legitimate money-making apps. I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Stay safe.